Career pathways. What's your direction? Hi, I'm Karen Zielinski, an advisor here at Daytona State. All of us at Daytona State are excited you're here. We want to help you find your career direction. Advisors located in Building 100, career service professionals located in Building 115, and faculty are all here to support you in finding your career pathway. This video will explain some easy steps which will help you find your career direction.
Hello everybody. My name is Anindya Paul and I'm the chair for the School of Computer Science, Building and Architecture Technology. When I meet with students, I often hear that there is a lot of uncertainty among students about the right pathway they should choose. Some people ask me if engineering is the right pathway, or is it networking, or is it programming and software that they should go for. Some even ask if architecture or database technology is something that they should go for. I completely understand. Here at Daytona State, we offer a wide variety of programs. But here is the good news. A little careful planning and a few easy steps would help you understand what pathway or career would be the right one for you. Hello everybody. As I was mentioning earlier, there are really two steps that I would want you to follow. On your screen, you see the links that I would use to go to these sites. And number one, find out the personality match. And step two would be to research what kind of jobs are available and what would those jobs require, the skills that goes with it. So let's look into the first option, which is my Daytona State, and then we will look into the human metrics to find out the personality. So if I go to Daytona State College, daytonastate.edu, I can click on Career Services and it would bring up this page, and I can come into my career planning and click on Assessments and open up my Holland's test. These are some simple questions that you will answer, which will help you identify the type or the major codes that would fit your personality. Once you find that, you will know that if you are identified as an investigative major, these are the following professions or careers that would go along with it. And I can find one of these things, let's say information systems technology or mechanical engineering, and take that to another website like Indeed.com or EmployFlorida.com and find out what kind of jobs would go with it. So if I come in over here and find out or put my keyword that matches my career, I should be able to find out what kind of jobs are available. Also, I mentioned about the second one, which is human metrics. And if I show you the site, it looks something very similar to this. This is my personality test at humanmetrics.com, where again I would identify or I would answer some questions that would identify my types, and I can take one of these types and again come in to a search engine like Google and find out what kind of careers would go with my type. So if it is ENTP careers, here are my ENTP careers, and if I click over here at that link, I can find out a little more about that particular characteristics that I have and some of these professions that would go along with it. And once I identify, if I want to find out a little more about the marketing manager, I can click over here and I can find out about the duties that goes along with it. With this information, I can again go back and do the same thing. I can either go to Employ Florida or I can go to Indeed.com and type in the type or the profession that matches with me. Here, the example I have chosen is business analytics, and it shows you the kind of jobs that we have. So that's really simple, and I hope this was helpful and you found this easy way to ease your mind and find the right pathway that you desire. You can now come and talk with an advisor or the particular department that offers the program that would give you the skills for that particular career.